Today's video is Swooping Bird Cameron bails evil Tiana out of Mexico / grounded. And this is the first video of Swooping Bird Cameron gets grounded, so enjoy the video. I'm going to bail evil Tiana out of Mexico by using Polygon logic. Polygon logic, bail evil Tiana out of Mexico.
Yes. I'm being bailed out of Mexico. Thank you so much, Swooping Bird Cameron.
You're welcome, evil Tiana.
Hey, my evil clone, how did you escape from Mexico? Swooping Bird Cameron bailed me out of Mexico by using Polygon logic. Swooping Bird Cameron, how dare you bail my evil clone out of Mexico by using Polygon logic? You know that she deserves it for deleting Caden's YouTube videos 4 days ago. That's it. Go home right now while I call your normal clone about this.
No. When my swooping bird clone got home. My swooping bird clone, how dare you bail evil Tiana out of Mexico by using Polygon logic? You know that she deserves it for deleting Caden's YouTube videos 4 days ago. That's it. You're grounded for 7 weeks. Go to your room right now. What? Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.